Lesson number 7, the top corners. Our cube should look like this now. The yellow side is complete. This lesson, we're going to learn to put the top corners to match up with a size like this. You are going to use a new algorithm. There is only one to learn again, but this one is a little more tricky. Now, you may have one side of the corners already complete, or maybe all. If all are done, you can move on to the next and final lesson. Or if you do the algorithm we're about to teach you, you can practice this lesson. Let's get going.
Position, yellow on top, sides to move, face, right, back.
So, one of our sides may be complete. That's okay, just bear with us for a moment. This cube, none of our corners are complete yet. So what we're going to do is the algorithm. So, right, face, right, back, back, right, face, right, back, back, right, right. And if we turn the cube round, we'll see that one of the side's corners are now matched up. Sometimes it ends up here, and all we need to do is just turn the top so it lines up with the centerpiece. Now, what we need to do is put this to the back, so it's here now. And we do the same algorithm again. So, let's do those moves again, but this time with the algorithm in full. Right down, face clockwise, right down, back, back, right up, face anti-clockwise, right down, back, back, right up, right up. As you can see, all of our corners are now in the right space. We just need to turn the top to line them up with the centerpiece. I found this one of the hardest of all algorithms. Again, if you do this algorithm again, once you have the corners in the right place, it just messes up the corners and you can practice again from here. When you're ready, we'll see you for the final lesson.